Hi, Scott Pohl here with On Track Pro Shop in the Twin Cities. Check us out on our website. We'd love to help you out. But we're going to take a look at the two-handed bowling game. We're going to look at a couple different scenarios, the 4 and 5 step approach, and how to take this on. All right, so here we have Jeff with a 5-step approach. Let's take a look at his footwork a little bit closer. His first step is straight, the next one goes left, and the next one a little bit further left, and then it comes back in the direction of straight and a little bit to the right with his slide. So why is the direction left? Very simple. It allows for the ball to clear the right side of the body and come back in a very powerful position. Another example here is Jason Belmonte. He takes 5 steps as well. On his first step, he goes left. The second one, even further left. So why is this? Well, Jason Belmonte has arguably the most revolutions on a bowling ball of all bowlers. And this allows him to get even more power and send the ball left to right. Another example is Jesper Svensson and Anthony Simonson. They get the ball into the swing very early, and their timing is also getting inside the ball. For Svensson being left-handed, he actually goes to the left with his steps. Simonson to the left. Last example here is Kyle Troop. He has a traditional 5-step approach, very common with the one-handed bowler, and his steps go straight, left, straight, left, and his slide is actually very straight. So here's an example with Jeff doing the 4-step approach. On his first step, he does what's called the crossover step, and that yet again allows the ball to get out of the way of the body and fall into a really good position. His last 2 steps actually go much straighter. So we showed you some different ways of making this happen. 4 and 5 steps. Different styles, different ways to throw the ball. I'm sure there's one of those in there for you. Get on out to the lanes, practice it, seek out a coach. I'm sure all this will help.